with the new standard became a problem. So this is one reason why the new drinking water plant was built, was because by blending from water from the Rio Grande, they're able to meet the standard. So in addition to, well, that's by blending with water from the Rio Grande.
It's hard to tell from the small size of the map and pond. Is the water quality getting better is what I'm wondering.
Yeah, and this is before the plant came online in 2008. So any differences you see between the numbers is not because of the new plant. I think these are just sort of two data points. If there is, it looks to me like they are getting better, 28 to 10, but I couldn't tell you necessarily why that is. I don't know why it got better from 2003 to 2007, because this is all just pumping of the groundwater at this point. This is not, there is essentially no treatment. This is just pumping out of the groundwater, chlorinating it, and sending it to your tap. And part of the reason it gets kind of interesting, you see some high numbers here, but there's also kind of high numbers down here in the South Valley, right? So then it becomes an environmental justice issue as well, right? Possibly the people here, the highest number is 35 here, and that's in the South Valley. So that's a different population of people, right? So you want to be able to serve everybody equitably.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Why is it like that? It seems that water quality seems to be lower in neighborhoods that are on lower socioeconomic statuses. Why is that?
And this is just bad luck, right? Because this is just the groundwater, the geological formation underneath, right? Sometimes it's lack of attention, like in Flint, there's a lack of attention to the distribution system and not putting enough money into it, and just neglect, right? Yeah. Is there another question?
Isn't the west side on a different aquifer flow?
Yeah, that's right. So the Rio Grandes are right here, right? So these are separated hydraulically, right?
Is it really showing the water's getting worse over in the eastern side by I-40 through the mountain?
Over here? Yeah. I would say, I wouldn't read too much into this. This is just as far as comparing the two numbers. The real comparison will come on the next slide. But it would actually seem like it's getting better. We go 3 to 2, 4 to 3 to 4, 26 to 6. But like I said,
that 1 over 34 looks lovely.
No, it's 3 to 4.
Oh,
3
yeah.
4.
Sorry, yeah. That's 3-4. 3 to 4. Not. It looks like a 34.
It's not 30.
Yeah, it's. 3 turn.
Oh.
Yeah, that's an easy. I apologize for the small font on this slide.
We're old.
Blame the water authority. They need to give me a PowerPoint. No, I should. Well, it's funny. I always tell my students, like, if you can't read it, rewrite it. Right? It's easy enough to just take the time. And apologies, I didn't do that. So anyway.